Hi, my name is Dr. Patricia Ford, and if you are trying to manage your weight, one of the best things that I have found in my 20 years of practice is find some way to keep you accountable, whether that be a handwritten journal or an app that actually assesses a few things. So you want to assess what you're eating, how you're eating it, and what you're feeling physically, emotionally, spiritually when you're eating it. What that is going to do is that's going to really bring into your awareness your ability to be present, any sort of feelings coming from trauma or blocks or your nervous system, and then what you're actually doing. And then you can have some data on what's happening that you can either share with a trusted advisor or a resource. Typically, if you are engaging in any sort of long-term management, you want some wise counsel. It's impossible to do big changes on your own. So I would highly, highly admit that the best transformations required a team-based effort. How you form that team is up to you, whether it's Western medicine, Eastern medicine, dietitian, doctor, coach, wellness advisor. I would definitely figure out your values and who you want to advise and what you want your life to look like and what team you want to attract. Not every single medical provider is meant for everybody. I am definitely best fit for women that feel really stuck or men that feel really stuck. It doesn't necessarily need to be a certain gender, but people that just are kind of sick and tired of the same spiel and want some clarity, efficiency, and a place to be able to be seen and understood. And so that's going to be for my practice. But one of the most common things I talk about is some sort of accountability in written form. I hope this helps.